this episode of The Starving Bachelor, we commemorate the Korean War with a recipe from my father's Battalion Cookbook. This is an anniversary cookbook written by the husbands and wives of those who've served in my father's battalion. This is the 424th Field Artillery Battalion, Korea, 1950 to 53. This cookbook is dedicated in friendship to the men of the 424th Field Artillery Battalion, from Camp Rucker, Alabama to the Iron Triangle in the Kumwa Valley, Korea. The Forgotten War, 1950 to 1954. Ready. The Cookbook Committee, Chairman, Catherine Michael, Ed Bicknell, Joe Epley, Vada Scott Johnson, Amber Roberts, Pauline Tate. Oh, look, Mom and Dad. Today we're going to be making porkiapines, and no porcupines were harmed in the making of this recipe. Ingredients: 1 pound of hamburger, 1/4 cup of uncooked rice, 1/4 cup of chopped onions, 1 teaspoon of salt. Mix these ingredients and make into golf-sized balls. For the sauce, 2 tablespoons of butter, 1/4 cup of chopped celery, 1/4 cup of chopped green peppers, 1 tablespoon of chopped onions, 1 can of tomato sauce, 1/3 cup of water, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, 1 teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce, 2 tablespoons brown sugar, 1 teaspoon of dry mustard, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and 1/4 teaspoon of pepper. Melt butter and add celery and pepper and cook for 10 minutes. Add the other ingredients. Cook for 5 minutes more. Pour over the meatballs and bake covered for 1 hour at 350 degrees. Oh, the things you lose when you need them. Oh, here they are. Now, ooh, doesn't that look good? Oh, I can see why they're called porcupines. It's the rice. The rice just, I don't know if you can see this, but you can see what the rice does. It's funny. It's actually fun. It smells great too. Winner. This particular recipe is from Betty Harris, wife of Grady Harris from B Battery. And it's called Porkiapines. Porkiapines. And there's no pork in it, and there's no porcupines. So.